What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about speed squares. Let me ask you a question. I mean, this has a lot of great purposes. But for what I use this for, marking, scribing, and really a saw guide for my circular saw, does it necessarily need to be this big? Let's find out. So we have an alternative to the 7-inch speed square. It's from Milwaukee. It's their 4.5-inch trim square. It's pretty funny. A lot of people still call this a rafter square. Like, this is, I have a full size speed, like a rafter speed square, okay? And then I have framing squares. Like, this is just a, I guess you could get it done, but it's a little small for that. I just call it a speed square. Milwaukee chose, I guess because this is even smaller, to call this a trim square. It's 4.5 inches. It's product number MLSQ040. It says most compact, most versatile. The reality is that, like, I don't know, most compact? Is it the most versatile? Those are pretty bold claims. It probably is the most compact. I don't know if I've seen a 4.5-inch trim square like this before. Most versatile? Listen, this is the deal. Maybe it is. Maybe it is because of the size savings and what we use it for, right? What I'm going to use it for. Maybe it is the most versatile. Let's talk about it first before I get it unboxed. You'll see here, it says 35% more compact, high visibility, laser etched. So this is laser etched. Pretty cool. Dual reference heel. So on the left side or the one side or whatever you want to call it, side of the heel, you got 1/4 inch. The other side we have 3/8. Okay? This tool is made in the USA. Just made in the USA. Not with global materials. It's just made in the USA. Engineered by Milwaukee Tool. Professionally made in the USA. It's got a limited lifetime warranty. Literally, like, what is that even, like, limited? Limited to what? Well, I want to know. Maybe if your aluminum 4.5-inch trim square somehow through the process of oxidation turns into aluminium, maybe they will warrant it for free. Let us know down in the comment section below. Did you ever have your aluminum trim square oxidize through oxidation? I mean, it happens literally from the oxygen in the air turns aluminum into aluminium. I hear that happens a lot over in Europe. They have their aluminum convert to aluminium. The laser etching is nice and clear. Let's hear what Milwaukee has to say about it. It says their 4.5-inch trim square is an everyday carry layout solution. Everyday carry. EDC. This is going to be your EDC layout square from here on out. Get it? Layout here on out. The compact square is 35% smaller in size to fit easily into tight workspaces as well as your pockets and pouches. Quite frankly, like, I have a specific pouch for my speed square, like this fits into. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I would welcome the smaller square. Sometimes it does. If depending on where I'm working, the space, my speed square sometimes will pop out of the pouch. It will. So maybe this will be a great solution. Whoa! High visibility laser etched markings will not wear off after heavy use, providing you with constant high visibility throughout the life of the square. They do have a couple of nice features. Now we're going to get this unboxed. Okay. It seems handy. It really does. The reality is I use a speed square as a saw guide. I like my cuts. I like especially when I'm building bearing walls and such. I want to make sure. Call me a perfectionist or call me whatever, inaccurate without a square. I don't know. A lot of you carpenters, you could say what you want, but when I'm framing, I want my cut to be 100% square, straight. I want to make sure that whether it's contacting the bottom plate or the top plate, I want 100% bearing on my dimensional lumber. I don't want it to be crooked. I want it perfect. Okay, and quite frankly, I can achieve that with a speed square instead of, some people will use a motor saw on a framing job. I don't think it's necessary. Okay, but if the large majority of your jobs, okay, the large majority of your jobs is with 2x, do you need this? No, maybe not. They've also, you could see here, identified your pivot point. Okay, we have our degrees marked out. We have our measurements marked out as well. And this is really, I like this feature. It's not on this square, but we have marking notches every 1/8 of an inch. Okay, I like that. I like that every 1/8 of an inch. Beautiful. So you're able to mark and scribe your work. Pretty cool. Did I mention it has a limited lifetime warranty in case it somehow oxidizes into aluminum? And if you like that, smash the like button. Also, let us know down below. They say it's the most versatile. Do you believe that the more compact size, most compact, makes it more versatile? Oh no, the aluminum must have gotten to me. I said versatile. I'm infected. I'll see you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.